If you buy one of the fuse kits from the Model A vendors, they're pretty easy to install. You just remove 2 of the screws on the starter switch that's mounted on top of the starter, and can use those 2 screws to mount the fuse plate to the top of the starter. And then if you have any problems, you can just replace the glass fuse in it. You disconnect the wire that is connected to the starter post, and you connect it over here on the new fuse side. And then everything that goes to the car will then go through this connection, which goes through the fuse, except for the actual starter itself. It does not go through the fuse, but lights and horn and generator and everything else will go through the fuse. And you need to buy a spare fuse and keep it with you in the car in case you ever blow the fuse.